Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to access all block tools in one place on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. Let us begin by opening your WordPress homepage in your preferred browser. Once you are on the main site, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see a login option. Click this button to proceed into your WordPress account. After clicking the login button, you will see an option to continue using your Google account. Select this option and you will be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for signing in. This method simplifies the login process by eliminating the need to remember a separate username or password, and it also offers the added security and convenience provided by your Google credentials. After you have successfully logged in, navigate to the section labeled Quick Links. In this part of the dashboard you will find a number of shortcuts, and you should look for the one named Edit Site. Click on Edit Site, and this will take you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website. The Edit Site option gives you the flexibility to modify different aspects of your WordPress website without having to search through a long list of menus. Once you have entered the site editor, locate the familiar interface which may display various options. Among these features is a symbol represented by 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing additional tools. These 3 dots provide you with more detailed control over the editing process and serve as the gateway to accessing the block tools that are now conveniently housed in one place. After you have clicked on the 3 dots, direct your attention to the option labeled Top Toolbar. By clicking on the top toolbar, you will be presented with a comprehensive set of block tools that allow you to manage and organize your website content more effectively. The top toolbar consolidates the various block options that WordPress offers, so you can easily navigate through and interact with your website's elements without needing to search through multiple locations. With these instructions complete, you now have a clear pathway to access all block tools quickly and efficiently on your WordPress website. This integrated approach offers improved usability and easier site management by centralizing key editing functionalities. Each step has been designed to ensure that you can move through the process in a straightforward manner, which means you can spend less time searching for individual tools and more time focusing on your website content. Enjoy exploring all the available features and making meaningful updates to your website.